We're going to review the Rallybound media library. To access the media library on each campaign, you'll go to that campaign's admin landing and then navigate to website here. You'll then click on media library, and this will load the media library. Note, if you have added content to a media library in a campaign template and replicated to create a campaign, it will inherit the content from the template. So that is a good strategy if you have an event series or something along those lines. The way that this works is you can upload any images. You would select an image here, browse, pick the image. For example, we'll just pick a random image, upload. Now the image has been added. All new images are added to the uncategorized section. If you want to move the image from one section to another, you'll click Enable Editing and Approve. This will let you drag and drop the image elsewhere. It works exactly the same for the video, except if you're uploading a video, you would just put the ID at the end of the video. So for example, youtube.com, and then there's going to be an alphanumeric string of 11 characters at the end after a question mark. You would copy and paste that in. Similarly, you can upload a PDF, same concept, browse and upload. Now I'm going to go through each of the sections here. User-to-user images. These are images that you as a nonprofit want to avail to your fundraisers so that they can insert them into the fundraising email templates that you have developed under fundraising fundraiser email templates. That's in a separate section. We'll cover that in a separate video. The logo section here, if you wanted to add your organization logo here, it's recommended that it would be a transparent PNG file. The social share is the image that Facebook will display if somebody shares this campaign. You only need to put an image in here if you want your logo to show, rather than the large hero image that will be on your campaign landing page, as well as a large hero image that your fundraisers may upload to their fundraising and team pages. So this is optional depending on how you want to control your brand. Only if you want your logo to be the default image on Facebook shares should you put something in here. The homepage image is housed here, but you actually upload that in the site builder on the front end. So we don't need to worry about that section. The photo gallery, this allows you to use the media widget on your campaign landing page. Should you add one or more photos here, the first photo added will be the image that shows in the media widget on your campaign landing page. Any other ones are rendered on the View All page. And the same goes for the video library. So you can upload as many videos as you'd like. The first one will show in the media widget on your campaign landing page, and the rest will render on View All. Campaign image, there are two uses for this. One, on your platform landing campaign, you will have an upcoming events widget. The image you upload to campaign image will render as the default in the preview card, where your site visitors can select which event or fundraiser they would like to explore, register for, etc. It will also show up within your admin just for you when you load the admin landing page. Now, the fundraiser page default hero image and team page default hero image, these should be 2,500 pixels wide and 785 pixels tall. These will be what folks will get when they register to create their fundraising page prior to them customizing their page. It is often the use case where organizations will put the same image here, so to upload two more copies, one for fundraising default image, one for team default image, as they use on their campaign landing page. Since they're exactly the same dimensions, they can serve a dual purpose. Now, if you want to, you can use the default member image as well as the default team image. These are going to be square files. I believe we recommend 200 by 200, but we will auto render anything that is square. This would show on an individual or a team's page in their square profile picture, should they not have uploaded their own. And you may put them in here. If you do not do this, they will see their first initial and last initial rendered. And finally, what you see here uploaded via WYSIWYG, this is just where, should you add additional images to editable areas while editing in the site builder, this is just where they're housed. Thanks.